Give your walls an instant makeover with these sleek and modern green gradient peel and stick vinyl tiles from Clever Mosaics. With a 3D glossy finish, these vinyl tiles will add an eye-catching focal point to any room. Made from upgraded 0.1-inch thick vinyl, these tiles are more durable, scratch-resistant, and heat-resistant. The vinyl material is also waterproof and oil-proof, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms. Backsplash. Installation takes just minutes with the tile's strong adhesive backing that adheres 5 times stronger than typical peel and stick tiles. Just peel off the backing paper and press onto any smooth, clean wall surface. No messy glue or grout required. Give your home a quick and stylish makeover without the cost and mess of traditional tile. These green gradient vinyl wall tiles are the perfect do-it-yourself solution for transforming the look of any room. Order your set today and refresh your walls with these easy-to-install, bold, and contemporary vinyl tiles. Visit clevermosaics.com to browse more designs. For any questions or wholesale inquiries, feel free to mail us at sales@clevermosaics.com. Our team is happy to help you.